and personal connections, suspect procurement dealings, and the ghost service delivery dealing that have hurt the economy and the fortune of our county. As we extend on olive branch to those willing to walk with us on this journey, we will not hesitate to clinch our fist and firmly deal with those who oversee the routing of public resources under their care. An efficient public administration can only be achieved if the country, all the county service workforce, understands the monumental task ahead of us. We will consult on issues that touch on well-being of our people, but we won't hesitate to reprimand those who will stand in the way of change. The Public Service Board will be called upon to work closely with the county government to oversee the gaps in personnel management, but at the same time review the status of the county role as provided in the law. Ladies and gentlemen, a majority of our people are youth, and the county government bureaucratic procurement rules have denied them a chance to take part in the constitutional right of accessing 30% of all county government tenders. My administration will pay a special attention to this group and ensure that the likes of hundreds of our suppliers of goods and services get access to the county service and payment. Finally, we have a huge task ahead of us, but together and speaking in one voice, we will deliver on the promise we have made to our people. A promise of a more sensitive, accessible, accountable county government. I look forward to a robust engagement with the county assembly, the provincial administration, our development partners, and all other key stakeholders. My brothers, before I end, I want to recognize that I know we are flagged here with a number of diplomatic corps members. I know the British High Commissioner is represented here. I've seen the Chinese government represented here. The Director Generals, Director General Nema, my brother Mamo, there are those ones also who joined with you. There are a number of Director Generals with us here. I want to state that a number of these stakeholders will engage you. My brother Mamo, there is a dumping site here. I'm happy, my brother Rumumba, I called you last week, you removed the garbage from the road. I hope we'll locate that dumping site. For the thieves and the grabbers of ATC land, I want to send a warning shot that will deal with you squarely, without mercy, or favor. We have a long generation, a young generation ahead of us. We can't afford to lose land to some few individuals who have money and who can buy land elsewhere. Yes, campaigns are over. Yes, campaigns are over. Friendship apart, we have our duty. And that duty is to serve these people. I want to request those ones who have been routing the public funds, please come and apologize to the public. We may forgive you. We may forgive you. but will pass through you, the courts led by the Lordship and our honor, justice and magistrate, for them to get the justice that they deserve. For 5 years to come, the staff of the county, do not be scared of anything if you have not done anything wrong. I want to promise my governor outgoing, my brother, my elder brother, I'll accommodate your team, a good team. I know in your team we had some rotten individuals. Those ones accept that we must send them home. Governor, my outgoing governor, I want to plead with you. I'll always consult with you. Because you have an experience, you have a history of this institution. And this institution requires that history for us to make Kisii great again. Abantu baminto ntegete nkolengo tebaiga chinga kichegas cheikire nainche naonchokanana gusiengi makorubogirango obomachoge bonchali bogetutu nyalibali nabo basi ntagete mbakire ya monese kura mwangete inche tindi muoba naende ntagete mbatebeke maene abantu baminto ngokora tuligasi mpaka marayika ari igoro agoke emyaka yetu nemeke Kisii yetu nariego cyanya ntoko nyintene narabuya na kinatebete a function ya lero am I going out governor tigango tebinga etwabe babegete 58 million 57. My brother knows that nimbwata kigali kinya cyane tintage tigali ye county nimbwate sinaga kirenkomenya tintageti korenti enyomba. The outgoing governor of his chirichia una chirichia deputy ntwanyo altomonto konyara go chirosia igo chimilioni 5 ibere nkoira na chire chigorano ena mariogo abantu baminto ntaite nkole ngo tebaiga abarayi baminto abajumbe mura abayishimiwa abajumbe ba parliament ba county assembly. My brothers, abantu abana botokoleregas 10% yali abantu bawoteba ninchengegu na atebire etenene egenda sama lyogo ga kitokonya abantu baitu banyore basari abantu baitu banyore amalyogo epara tonyakole. Governor, I want to promise you, apart from what the president promised 100 million for this field, I look for money. I'll fill and finish a stadium in your honor. Ekiarangwan sete munganchere mboli abantu aminto mole tayari sabarie tigangondoroso kubokona mole tayari ese sabari mbiya mono nyasaye abaseseni na ndi mutuanchere esere molenke ekere governor egosoka kurobisi akorusie bendere segali yae na kubeke segali yane bono eserekali yansire gas. Mbiamo na nyasaye benaime. Asante sana, tusimame hivyo, tusimame tafadhali.
Thank you DJ. Tusimame tafadhali. Reverend Charles Mosomi Saboke. Reverend Charles Mosomi Saboke tafadhali karibia mbele ukitufanyia ombi la mwisho. Na pia tujiandae kwa wimbo wa taifa tunapomaliza, lakini kwa sasa Reverend Charles Mosomi Saboke akitufanyia ombi la mwisho ambaye anasimamia makanisa ya Pentecostals. Asante sana kwa kazi nzuri wale wote ambao tumeshirikiana kuhakikisha kwamba siku ya leo imefanikiwa. Reverend Charles Mosomi Saboke karibu sana. Tutulie tafadhali, tutulie. Kama orancha abantu baitu tomosikenya sae asama sabo gatogokora. Alafu kisha baadaye tupate wimbo wa taifa na wimbo wa East Africa tumalize. Karibu.
Asante gavana wetu mpya, tunashukuru kama wachungaji. Tunasema Mungu akubariki na pia akubariki gavana ambao unaenda, na tunasema wacha Mungu awabariki wote. Wacha tuombe. Tufunge macho tuombe. Baba mtakatifu, katika jina la Yesu Kristo, tunashukuru kwa sababu ya siku ya leo Bwana, ambao ni ya muhimu sana katika mji wetu wa Kisii County, kupata gavana wa pili ambaye ni Mheshimiwa Your Excellency Simba Arati kuwa gavana katika mji huu. Mimi kama mchungaji naomba hekima ya kutoka mbinguni imtawale kwa kuongoza hii Kisii County ambayo ina mambo mengi, inahitaji mambo mengi, na kitu naomba mkono wako uwe juu yake ili akiongoza hii county aiongoze kulingana na neno lako. Nasi kama kanisa tutasimama pamoja naye ili tuone county hii imeenda mbele katika jina la Yesu Kristo. Asante kwa sababu ya gavana ambaye anaondoka na wote ambao wanaondoka na wale ambao wameingia, senators wameingia, wachumbe wote wameingia. Tunawaombea mema, wakae katika kaunti hii katika uaminifu na watendee wananchi yaliyo sawa kulingana na mapenzi yako. Baba, tunasema asante. Wewe ni Mungu ambaye unajibu maombi. Katika jina safi la Yesu Kristo tumeomba hata tukiamini, sote tuseme amen.
Tukiwa tumesimama tafadhali tutulie, tumesimama kwa wimbo wa taifa, wimbo wa East Africa. Karibu. Wimbo wa taifa. Asante sana. Kwa sasa tunamwomba governor, the outgoing governor together with the incoming governor, wakitangulia wafanye sherehe yao tafadhali. Wengine tuendelee kusimama mpaka wamalize sherehe yao vile tumeelekezwa. So the outgoing governor together with the incoming governor wako na sherehe kidogo tafadhali. Wale ambao mko pale msonge nyuma kabisa, muwapishe. Our security team, you can take charge please as you usher in the incoming governor and the outgoing governor. Wafanye sherehe yao ya kubadilishana bendera, alafu mambo ikuwe vizuri. Asante sana. The security team, you can usher them in that order. Asante sana committee ya Assumption Office, ikiongozwa na Patrick Lumumba na wale wote ambao wameshirikiana kuhakikisha kwamba siku ya leo imefanikiwa. Asante wageni wetu wote wa heshima, wale ambao wamepata nafasi kufika siku ya leo. Thank you. The head of INKFM, Kaka William Satandi, thank you so much sir, I can see you there. Asante sana, thank you. Pastor Peter Moruabe, thank you. Asante. Tumpishe governor wetu, the outgoing governor, His Excellency Governor James Ongwae atoke wa kwanza. Governor wetu James Ongwae atoke wa kwanza tafadhali. Tumupishe akitoka tafadhali, thank you so much, atoke wa kwanza. Alafu baadaye our second governor, His Excellency Governor Simba Arati, kwa utaratibu atakuwa wa pili kutoka kwa utaratibu. Asante sana, thank you. The governor, outgoing governor is driving himself. The outgoing governor, His Excellency Governor James Elvis Omari Ongwae, is driving himself. Tumpigie makofi governor wetu, kwa heshima ametufanyia kazi kwa miaka 10. Na tunasema asante. Tumupishe tafadhali, tumupishe. Tokeni kwa njia tafadhali. Thank you so much Your Excellency sir. We wish you well. We wish you well. Thank you. Asante sana. Asante. Asante sana. Thank you. Maridadi.